Hello you all, it is time for another video and today it's going to be a project share. The video will not be too long, so let's dive into it. And today in this project share I have used the Coco and Reno kitchen cutting dies. And at first I have to say this is sponsored because I'm a member of the Coco and Reno design team, which I really love. And every month there will be some new cutting dies. And for now I've made a video of the kitchen cutting dies. And I just wanted to show you what I've created with the dies. And I've created this box. I will show you within a few minutes. But first of all I wanted to show you the dies. But those are the really pretty dies. And you can imagine you can make them for Christmas, but you can make them for every season of the year. It's really versatile. You can make albums, recipe albums, it's just whatever you want. Maybe some invitations for baking nights or just whatever you fancy. And I also die cutted those dies so you can see how they are. And in my project you can see that you also can make them dimensional or add some extra paper. But look at this little mixer, really pretty. Also this tag, cooked with love, which I really like, perfect for gifts. I love this one. The apron, really cute. Home cafe, also really pretty for an invitation or something like that. Or this one. This is almost like real. It's perfect for your restaurant if you have it. I really like this one. And let's get those really baking tools. So pretty. Look. Isn't it too cute? Oh, I think this is amazing. So tiny. So cute. Really pretty. And over here there's a small hole so you can make it like a dangle. I really like this one. And also there are some sentiments. Love, food, life, bake and menu. And the menu sentiments I've used a lot. Because over here you can see I've created 6 of those really simple pages for in my recipe box. And all in the left corner I've used the word menu. And on the right lower corner I've made a small decoration. Over here you can see this one. Really cute. And you can see that the apron, original, let me grab it. It's like this, just plain. But I've added some silver paper to give it more dimension. So then it already looks way different. So that's a little tip. The love. The cooked with love tag, and there you can see the background is silver, so it's also more dimension, which I really like. And this one, the color is maybe not really, you can see it, but it's this pink one, really plain but really pretty. And also this one, which I really like. So cute. And this is the box. I have used a tutorial from this one. I'll have to check which one it was, and I'll put in the description box the link of the video. But look, so pretty. And over here you can see I've used food. And here are more detailed, like the mixer with gold instead of silver. The spoon, the fork. The cooked with love, also with silver on the back. I like the whisker, I think it's called, and this one. And you can see I've added some really small dangles because there are perfect holes in it. So really cute. This is a wax stamp, which I really love. And on the side again, this tag, cooked with love. And also the spoon and the fork. And the home cafe with some golden paper on the back. So it was a really quick video, I told you. I hope you like this. And I'm really curious what you are going to make with these really cute dies. Well, I wanted to thank you for watching, and if you liked it or you have something to ask, to say, please let me know. And thank you and see you the next time. Bye bye.